Almost every single new tool that gets launched on Reddit or Product Hunt is the exact same thing. It would obviously be very naive of me to think that this is a unique take, but it's very clearly not slowing down anytime soon. Have you ever wondered why, when the smartest models in the world are an API call away, your tool that utilizes it has a revenue graph of a code blue hospital patient? Typically, customers only buy things when they're getting value out of it. And it's easy to say that maybe somebody would purchase your product if, they knew about it and you could market it. But in reality, it's because a lot of these products are kind of useless on their own. Think about it. What good is a clown that can only juggle two balls? The two balls I'm talking about is a simple front end that takes some user input and an OpenAI API key. Obviously, your app does a little more than that, processing and creating data that you can't easily just put into ChatGPT. Maybe you're downloading YouTube transcripts, maybe you're getting a weather report, a Twitter post, a podcast episode, but still, how did you set that up? Was it a make workflow, a bubble workflow? What should you charge users who could find an alternative as fast as it takes to deploy a Bolt app? From my experience, here's what I think is a worthy third ball. Generative AI has expanded and been able to make a million different things, but the value of what it's making has never increased. I think the truly special and successful products integrate information that doesn't exist yet, especially pertaining to real-world things. To be a little more specific, let me give you some context on my last project that I sold. It was this big software platform where if you were a realtor, you could pop in an address of a property you were selling, and it would kick back a quote of how much it would cost to get drone footage of it. Now, obviously, this is not software because for every order, I would have to grab my drone, right? But actually, I've never done a single job. We had no realtors yet, so my first campaign was a lie, but my second campaign was totally true. And since I never left my office chair, I think that counts as a software company. Now, I know I've gone astray from the original topic, but really what I've done here is gone full circle to bring you back to starting a marketplace. Not because it's my favorite business model, but because it solves your three-ball problem. Back when I was mentioning you should be creating new data that revolves around the real world, obviously any new task that revolves around data creation would be too overwhelming for you as just a developer. Now, if you've already launched a tool, in your marketing, you're looking for paying users. With a marketplace, it's just as easy. When you're offering your free users the chance to earn, they're going to support your paid users. But this time, your value proposition for your paid users is way higher than offering a service that just has, basic data in, data out. I hope I've helped push you in the right direction when you're building your next tool. I'm just trying to keep your next AI project out of the landfill. If stuff like this is your passion, like it is mine, I'd love to have you join me. If we all keep learning, we're all going to make it.